Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be making braised pork for our Hainanese curry rice. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to cook the braised pork. We need to heat up a small pot, add in a little bit of oil. We will now fry the spices first. Add in 1 star anise and 1 cinnamon stick. I broke this into 2 so it's easier to handle. We also add in 1 whole bulb of garlic. I've washed them but keep the skin on. We'll just fry them for a minute or 2 just to get the fragrance out. When you can smell the beautiful aroma that's coming out, we'll add in our pork. I'm using over here 250 grams of pork belly. Do wash them up and shave off any or burn off any of the hair on the skin if there's any. I'm just searing the meat and getting a little bit of the pork fat extracted out from here. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to render a little bit of pork fat out from this pork belly over here, and also that it won't be broken up easily when we braise them. The heat I'm using is on medium. So once when both sides have been seared, you'll add in the dark soy sauce. This is half a cup of dark soy sauce. This is low sodium. Look at how rich and beautiful the curry is. Now we'll add in 1 cup of rice wine, Chinese rice wine. If you do not have Chinese rice wine, you can always replace it with just water. But by using rice wine, you will actually elevate the taste of this dish very, very well. We'll also add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add in also half a teaspoon of 5 spice powder. Mix them up well. I'm adding in also 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now we'll add in 1 more cup of water. We'll let this boil, and when it's boiling, we'll turn the heat down to low and let it simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So once this starts to boil, put the cover on and turn this down to low and let this simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour's time. We will now prepare the curry. Very simple to make. Heat up a pan, add in a little bit of oil. We'll fry some spices first. Cinnamon bark, 1 whole piece broken into 2, and 1 star anise. Fry until you can smell the beautiful aroma that's coming out from these spices. Once you can smell them, we'll add in the curry paste. This 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder. I've added some water to make it into a paste. You just put this in. And if you want your curry to be a little spicy, you can add in some chili powder too. This is half a tablespoon of chili powder. I've mixed some water to form a paste too. So now we'll add in 500 milliliters of water. As we are not using any chicken or any meat inside this, to make it flavorful, I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of concentrated chicken stock. You can use chicken powder if you do not have concentrated chicken stock. Stir them and let them come to a boil. And then we just give this a taste and add in a little bit of sugar and salt to balance it up. Now if you want this more flavorful, of course you can always add in a little bit of shallots or onion to perk up this taste. So once it's boiling, let's just give this a taste first. Very flavorful. A little bit of salt is needed, half a teaspoon, and I also add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Stir them in. Now we just need to thicken this up. We'll thicken this up by using cornstarch solution. Slowly add them in to the consistency which you like. Okay, the curry sauce is done. We'll just turn off the flame and take it out from the stove. Remember our braised pork? This has been braising for 1 hour already, and this is simply beautiful. We just need to thicken the sauce up a little bit. This is the last thing we're going to do, and then we can enjoy our Hainanese curry rice. So slowly add in some cornstarch solution to thicken up the sauce. Just a little bit more will be fine. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay, so this is done. We will now serve our dish. I hope you found our dish easy. Do try it at home and let us know what you think. Please click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Now we will assemble the dish. Normally the curry and the braised pork gravy will be poured last, but today we will just put them first so that we can see the beautiful ingredients that we will be putting onto the dish. This is the braised pork sauce. Slaughter a little bit of it onto the plate. Add in a little bit of curry. We'll add some of this cabbage onto the rice. More vegetable is always good. Next, we'll add in the crispy pork chop. Listen to how crispy this is. This is always my favorite. Next, we'll add in the braised pork. Beautiful. Look how succulent this is. And finally, of course, we'll add in the sunny side up. Time to enjoy our lunch.